This is a Survivor Seeds 2026 update on my germination, and everything's looking really good, except for celery has not come up and the spinach has not come up. And I wish I'd waited till the fall to start with spinach, but that's all right. I'm going to show you what everything looks like and how it's going, and I'm really happy so far, I think. So let's look and see what's good. So here's the basil. Oh, really good germination on it. I have one didn't come up. The brandywine, the Roma, everything looks really good here. Here's the brandywine. Tomatillos, they look good. They got a different flower, a different leaf, and kind of unusual to me. Here's my celery. I don't see anything yet. The California bales have just started to come up. Here's one come up, just come up today. The shishitos have started coming up, so I've got pretty good on them. Yeah, here's some more coming up right here and right here. So they're doing good. Zucchini in the back. I got one there. Looks like I didn't get it covered very well. Or it might be coming up, is what it is. So it looks pretty good. Cucumbers look great. Look at these. I'm getting some real leaves right there. The Hell's Best Jumbo is coming up. And then the Moons and Stars is a little bit behind. I'm fixing the water, that's why it looks dry. But I only got 2 of those. So if my celery would pop up and my spinach would pop up, everything would look good, but I must look for my spinach. It's too hot for it, I think. Celery should come on, and the peppers are coming on, but there's a little weekly update on my Survivor 2026 seeds, and we'll be putting them cucumbers, probably them tomatoes and all that. They'll be out in the field for in another week or 2, so I'm in with a little bit of fertilizer here, some lightweight fertilizer. We're starting to get everything cleared out here, so you can watch the other videos. We've got a bunch of videos coming up. All right, appreciate you watching Survivor Seeds 2026. Everything's looking great. I appreciate y'all sending me those seeds too. So that stuff I've not grown before, and I'm kind of anxious to see how the brandywine does. I've grown it a long time ago, but I'm probably a little bit better experienced gardener now, so I'm gonna try that, and we'll see how they do. Anyway. Support your local farmer. We'll see you down in the next video.